Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, in this video I will to talk about trunking VLAN. Trunking itself has a function to pass traffic from a switch to another switch or router. For example, between a switch on the one's floor and a switch on the third floor. Okay, let's go straight to the lab. The first thing to do is create a topology like the following image. Okay, like this. This topology consists of two switch and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 PC. Okay, we first connect the device with a cable. Do as I did. Okay, finish. The right side is for the left side is for VLAN 10 and the left is for VLAN 20, and the right side of the network is 10.10.10.0/24, while on the left the network is 20.20.20.0/24. First, make a VLAN first on switch 0 on switch 1. Here I will create VLAN 10 and 20. Okay, sorry, I forgot. This is okay. Continue. Create VLAN in switch 0 and switch 1. VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Okay, next switch 1, CLI conf t VLAN 10 VLAN 20. Okay, finish. Now let's enter each interface into a VLAN. On the left, input each interface into VLAN 10, and while on the right, input each interface into VLAN 20. Okay, let's start. Check on switch 0, int range fa 0/122, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, and on the right side, interface range fa 3 to 4, 0/3 to 4, switch port mode access, enter, switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, next on switch 1, exit to mode global config, interface range FA 0/1 to 2, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, on the interface right side, interface range FA 0/3 to 4, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Okay. Now verify whether each interface has entered the VLAN or not. Okay, it can be seen the interface that leads to PC 5 and 6 entered VLAN 10, as well as the interface that leads to PC 7 and 8 has entered VLAN 20. Wait. Okay. We verify first whether each interface has entered the VLAN or not. For how, type do sh VLAN on switch 1. Okay, it can be seen interface PC 7 on PC 8 has entered VLAN 20, and PC 5 interface of PC 6 has entered VLAN 10. Okay, back to switch 0, do show VLAN. Okay, it can be seen interface of PC 1 and PC 2 has entered VLAN 10, and interface of PC 3 and 4 has entered VLAN 20. Okay, now then we will enter the trunking VLAN configuration. For how? First, we enter the interface that leads to another switch, then enter switch port mode trunk. Okay, it should be noted that the configuration input above in on both switches. Okay, let's go to switch 0. Okay, we enter the interface that leads to switch 1, then type switch port mode trunk. Okay, here interface FA 0/5. Okay, enter and type switch port mode trunk, enter. Okay, now let's to switch one. We enter to interface that leads to switch 0 and type switch port mode trunk. Here interface FA 0/5 0/5 switch port mode trunk. Enter. Okay. Now after entering the configuration above, let's check which VLAN can be accessed. For how to enter the command do show interface trunk. Set to mode global config, do show trunk. Okay, now it can be seen here VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 between switch can access each other through the interface FA 0/5. Okay, now let's try to test ping between PC that are still in one VLAN. Okay, don't forget friends to add IP first for each PC. PC1 desktop IP configuration IP 10.10.10.0 .1 sorry, subnet mask 255 and 255.255.0 plus PC2 desktop IP configuration 10.10.10.10.0 .2 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 plus next PC3 desktop IP configuration 20.20.20.20.0 .1 I'm sorry, subnet mask 255.255.255.0 plus next PC4 desktop IP configuration 20.20.20.2 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 sorry. Okay, next PC5 IP configuration 10.10.10.10 sorry .3 255.255.255.0 next PC6 desktop 10.10.10.10.4 255.255.255.0 okay, next PC7 20.20.20.3 255.255.255.0 okay, next PC8 20.20.20.20.4 255.255.255.0 okay, finish. Now let's try to test ping that are still in one VLAN. For example, PC1 to PC5. I use the PDU to ping PC1 to PC5. Okay, it can be seen. This is working successful. On the right side in VLAN 20, for example PC3 to PC8, it can be seen it's work successful. Okay, now let's try to ping between PC with different VLANs. Okay, wait, PC3 to PC5. Let's try. It still fails. Why? We will discuss in the next chapter. Okay, maybe that is all the discussion in this video. Keep up the enthusiasm to learn. Greeting Roy of IT friends. See you in the next video.